Welcome back, ladies. How you are doing today? Thank you all so much for clicking on this video. Thank you all for your support. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be featuring this very budget friendly appropriate spring shoe. Yes, you know, we are no longer in the era of wearing boots, but this shoe particularly work perfectly for you for spring. Also, it's going to work for you to go to church, or if you want to go hanging out, because you can dress it up or dress it down. Also, you can wear it to work because of the inches. And the most amazing thing, it comes in a variety of colors and sizes. The shoes that I'm going to be featuring today, they are from a brand called Jane Haddo. I hope I pronounce it right. And they come in different colors. They have it in one black and two black color. One is suede, one is patent leather, just like the one I'm going to be featuring today, which is beige and is in patent leather. Also, they have it in navy blue, which is suede, and they have it in black, which is suede, and a patent black as well. The sizes range differently depending on the one you want to select. The one that I'm featuring today ranges from size 6 to 11, styling size 9, with just 2 or 3 different outfits for you to see that this can be worn to different locations depending on where you're going, and they are very comfortable to stand on because of the inches. That's just 3.5. they are not too tall, not too short. Also, it's a block heel and very appropriate for spring. The fabric type is man-made leather. That's what they wrote on their website. Also, the sole material is rubber sole, and heel provide good traction and cushioning rubber. It's not going to be slippery because of what they use to make the bottom of this shoe. It's very appropriate for spring, for summer. It's very simple style. Like I mentioned, the heel is about 3.5 or 3 inches, not too tall, not too short. Very comfortable to stand upon it. As I'm talking to you all, I'm wearing it and I'm feeling very comfortable. So depending on the color that you want to pick will determine if they have the size available.
Water crashing at my feet, I saw a blue horizon turning gray.
And ladies, this is another outfit with the same shoe. And please, ladies, don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video, and do endeavor to share with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find it entertaining, informative, or educative. Please leave me comments in the comment section as well.
I was wandering looking for a key, echoes of your love surrounding me.
You can see that this shoe we go with a dress, which I already styled at the beginning. I'm styling with a 2-piece right now. This is not a dress, the 2-piece. I'm styling with a 2-piece with a skirt. That's the most important part of this one, just to show you that you can style it with a skirt. And I'm going to style with a pant and wrap up this video. So you can do any top of your choice. I just don't want to stress myself anymore, because on this day I already shot like 4 or 5 videos, because I work Monday to Friday. So I like to use my weekend to shoot as many as I can. Alright, so this is what I'm going to show you next. This is the pants. You know, you can just style with any pants of your choice, and this is what I'm going to be rocking this with, just to make my filming just easier. And this is the top, and the most, the focal point of this video is the shoes. So it actually goes with the dress, with skirts, and also with pants. So it's kind of just stylish and very chic, easy to put together with your outfits depending on where you're going. Ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be leaving the link to Jane Haddo. I will leave it under in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.